The world isn't always fair when it comes to money. Women often earn less than men and sometimes have to pay more for things they need. That's why investing is so important. It's not just about growing your money, it's about taking charge of your future. Investing helps you build wealth on your own terms. It's like building a safety net, reaching your dreams, and making sure you're okay financially, no matter what happens. Whether you want to buy a house, start a business, or have a comfortable retirement, investing can help you get there. Think of investing like planting seeds in a garden. Just like a garden needs time and care to grow, your investments need time to grow too. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow bigger and bigger, like a snowball rolling down a hill. You don't need to be a money expert to start investing. It's easier than you think, and there are helpful resources to guide you. First, set some money goals. What do you want to achieve? A house? Early retirement? Knowing your goals gives your investing a purpose. Next, make a budget to see how much money you have coming in, how much is going out, and how much you can put aside for investing. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow into a lot over time. It's like magic. Now it's time to choose where to put your investments. Think about opening a retirement account like a 401k or IRA, which can help you save money on taxes. For other goals, look into regular brokerage accounts, which give you more choices about what to do with your money. As women, we face different money challenges, but we can turn these into advantages when it comes to investing. Women are often good planners and think about the future, which are great skills for investing. We're also usually careful with our money, which can help us build stronger and safer investments. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Find financial advisors who understand your needs and goals. There are also lots of websites and online groups made just for women investors. Remember, investing isn't just for men. More and more women are taking control of their money and building wealth through investing. You can too. Imagine a life where you have enough money to do what you love, help your family, and make the world a better place. That's the power of financial independence, and investing is the key. Investing helps you break free from money worries and create the life you want. It lets you make choices that match your dreams. No more limits, just lots of possibilities. Start investing today. It's an investment in yourself, your future, and your freedom. Every step you take brings you closer to a brighter and more secure tomorrow.